Today we've got a very special guest. Her name is Lexi.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Annie and I am here to help you with your spoken English, your vocabulary and your communication skills. And today I have a very special video for you, and it is very special for me too because this is my first question and answer. And I had put a story on Instagram where I asked you to drop your questions, and the response was overwhelming and you had a lot of questions. So I'm going to try to answer some of your questions. Before we begin, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and please watch my other videos too. You'll learn a lot about vocabulary, English and communication skills in general. Without wasting any more of your time, let's begin. Okay, so the first question that I usually receive everywhere is, where am I from? I am from India, Maharashtra, Aurangabad. I live in Aurangabad. So the next question is, what is my education? I have a bachelor's degree in journalism and mass communication. So journalist. There's a question. Arsalan has asked, what do I study? I've completed my graduation. Currently, I am not studying, but I plan to do masters. Okay, so the next question is by Gia, and she has asked me, what's my favorite movie? This is a very difficult question. This is the most difficult question because I have a lot of favorite movies and I am into movies and series, and there's a lot of them which I really love. So I can't name one movie, but if you had to ask me, it's Atonement, Imitation Game, Room, Veer Zara, these kind of movies. Shivam has asked me, what is the secret of my cuteness? I don't know, it's God gifted. I think it's my personality. I think I have a very bubbly, funny, bold personality, and I think that is what contributes to my cuteness. I hope so. So the next question is a very frequently asked question. If I'm single or if I have a boyfriend, you'd really want to know that, wouldn't you? And I won't say anything about it right now. You guys are like, teacher is teaching y'all. Instead of learning what she's teaching, you are very interested to know if she's single or not. So currently I am not going to say anything about that, but you'll get to know soon. You'll get to know. Okay, the next question is, what is my source of income? So I take online classes for English and communication skills. Apart from that, I am also a content writer. Do I earn from YouTube? Not right now. My channel hasn't been monetized yet, and I am depending on you all for that. You don't watch my videos, you don't subscribe to my channel. How is my channel going to get monetized? Subscribe, watch my videos, it's going to help you. Okay, moving on. The next question is, if not teaching, what would my career be? So as I told, I have a degree in journalism and mass communication. So most probably I would be a news writer or an anchor. So yeah, that is what. But currently I get to do everything. Like, I get to be in front of the camera, I get to write stuff, scripts, and also I think it's one and the same. It's just not related to news, it's English. The next question is, why do I teach English? Why do I teach English? Because I realize that I have a skill that I really like to share with others, because sharing knowledge is everything, and I really like if I help somebody and people are influenced or affected by me. So I think I'm doing a help which I really like, and a lot my students love my classes, so that is why I teach English. The next question is, how to join my classes? So currently the batches are full, but the new batches are in October, and I'll be posting about it on Instagram. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram and you'll get the details there. The next question is, who motivates you? I'll rephrase it, not who but what motivates me. The thing is, motivation is a very weird concept, and I don't believe in motivation, because what happens is motivation should come from inside, and I don't depend on any other thing to get motivation, because you're not always motivated, you're not always energetic. So I think instead of motivation, you should focus on discipline. So even if you're not feeling like doing it, you need to have that discipline, that without motivation you need to carry on your duties or whatever you have, you need to do them without motivation. So that is something that motivates me, and your love, your comments, your messages, they motivate me. The next question is very interesting and funny. How do I attract a girl? I think don't try too hard. If you try too hard, I don't know, there's this kind of negative vibe if you're trying too hard, if you're trying too hard to impress that girl. Just be yourself, and just be honest, just be truthful, and if she is interested in you, she'll be attracted. If she is not, then why do you waste your time over somebody else? And yeah, just don't try too hard to attract somebody, may it be girl, may it be a boy. Don't try too hard to impress someone, just be yourself, and if they like you for who you are actually, then that's a good thing. Manik has asked me, do I like to cook? I love cooking, but when you do it regularly, sometimes it gets boring, but I love to try new dishes. I love to make new things and give my family to eat, and yeah, I like cooking. Vicky has asked me, what's the most spontaneous thing you've done? The most spontaneous thing that I've done would be starting this channel. Yeah, starting this channel. It was very spontaneous. I hadn't given it much thought. One of my friend, he does digital marketing, and he had learned a few things, and he told me that I'm looking for a channel where I can actually try whatever I've learned, and he told me to start a YouTube channel, and I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it. I was going to start like a beauty channel first, makeup tutorials, skincare and those stuff, and then I realized that no, why am I doing beauty? I'm good at something, and I really like to share that with other people. So yeah, this is the most spontaneous thing I've done, apart from going to a trip to Goa with complete strangers. So that is also on my list. Sumit has asked me, suggest a web series, The Mindhunter. Okay, so the next question is, show us your dog. You want to see my dog? Wait, like, see?
This is my dog. This is my dog. This is my dog, Lexi.
The next question is, what do you hate? What is one thing that I hate? Like, I don't hate things as such, but I hate some kind of people who act entitled to everything. Like they need to give their opinion on everything. Like you see these kind of people on social media, they'll give negative comments always. They'll have something to say, something negative to say, and they feel very entitled to say that. Or some people who feel entitled that why you didn't reply to my message, or why didn't you talk to me. These kind of people I don't like. I don't like entitled people. Like, why do you think the world should revolve around you and work according to you? So I hate entitled people. The next question is by Harsh Karan. What makes me happy? Food makes me happy. Listening to music makes me happy. And the most important thing is tea. Tea makes me happy. I love tea. So if you ask me, do you want tea? Anytime, I'll say yes. Like, anytime. Learn with JK has asked me, what's my favorite Eminem song? Okay, there's no favorite Eminem song because all of them are favorite. But if I had to actually pick one, it would be Beautiful Pain. That would be my favorite Eminem song. The next question is, what does your day look like? What is my typical day? So My typical day is usually my office work. I'm a content writer, so that along with preparing posts for social media, recording videos, editing videos, taking classes, and this is what my day looks like. It's really not that fun. Like, I don't do anything special every day, but yeah, I like doing what I do. So Vishnu has asked me, what are my future plans? The first goal is to get this channel monetized, and I really want to become a YouTuber. So please subscribe and keep watching my videos. And about English, I really want that, after my channel gets monetized, I want to start something like an academy or something of my own. What advice would you give to your younger self? Okay, this is a very interesting question. Who has asked this? Nikhat. Nikhat, this is a very interesting question, and the advice that I would give to my younger self, it would be, don't worry so much about what you're going to do in life, what you're going to become. We'll figure it out, and things may not always go according to your plan, but it may be better than your plan, your original plan. So I would tell my younger self not to worry so much in life, and enjoy the time you have, because when I was younger, I never really took the time to enjoy my life, like go out and have fun, those kind of stuff. I never did that. So I would tell my younger self to do that, and I wish that my younger self is proud of me, which she should be. Okay, the next question is, can you do an American accent? Can I do an American accent? You tell me, can I do an American accent? I think doing an American accent is not that difficult, because all you have to do is imagine that you're an actress in a Hollywood movie and you're the main character, and you really need to focus on your R's, that is door, burn, storm. Just kind of stress your R's, roll your R's, and work on your D's. Better, bitter, letter, internet, center, this kind of stuff. So that was it about me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please watch my other videos too, and take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.